Okay, so once again, welcome back. And we continue our discussion on signed binary numbers. So, in the previous module, we talked about its first part, that is signed magnitude representation of the signed binary numbers. And let us now talk about another form which is called as 1's complement form of the signed binary numbers, in which these signed binary integers can be represented. So there is a task to represent positive numbers and the negative numbers using 1's complement form. So as you can see here, using 1's complement form, positive numbers will be represented same as unsigned binary integers. What does that mean? It does mean this is a 8-bit representation of decimal 5. You can see here, and these are the bits. And in unsigned binary representation, we use this way. So here MSB is 0. It is same as what we used in unsigned binary integers. And using in the also in the signed magnitude form, the positive numbers are the same way we could use that using the sign magnitude representation also. We see that this is the way we represent the positive numbers, and in one's complement form the representation of the positive numbers are same. So how about the negative numbers? If you want to represent negative numbers using one's complement form. So first we have to take the positive form of a number. So for example, if you are asked to get the represent negative 5 using one's complement form, you first write positive representation of decimal 5. So which is this number, 8 bits. Then what you do is you have to invert each of these bits. So 0 becomes 1, and if it is 1, that becomes 0. So this is how it will look like. You are inverting every bit in this word, which is of 8-bit size, and therefore 0 becomes 1 here, and the 1 becomes 0. And then you put a negative sign, that becomes your -5 using one's complement form. So this is how you will represent the or present negative numbers, negative integers in signed binary form. How about representing 0 in one's complement form? So this is 0 in the binary, in the decimal, this is 0. And if we want to represent 0 using one's complement form, we are going to invert each of these bits. So all these 8 zeros will be inverted, and this will look like the word size of 8 bits where all bits are 1. And then we'll put the negative sign here. So how come after inverting for the 0, you have two ways of representing the same number, and that is not possible, or this is what you would say, this is confusing. So this dual 0 issue complicates the arithmetic and comparison circuits when you build those circuits in the digital design. And then you need a custom circuit to address this issue and to distinguish between the positive 0 and the negative 0. Here, one thing to be noted, whether this number in the negative form -5 or this any number, the MSB of the negative number is always 1. So this is same as using sign magnitude, what we saw in the previous module, or using one's complement form. When there is MSB which is 1, you can see and say that the number is negative. So now let me take you to the comparative form of these two ways in which the signed binary integers are represented. First one is a sign magnitude, we have seen that, and second is one's complement we are seeing now. And there is a third one using two's complement that will be following after this module. So what you see here, comparative in the sign magnitude, positive number, MSP will be 0, what we just saw in the previous slide. It is same as the representation of unsigned binary numbers. How about one's complement? We'll see that. But you see now, when we say it's a positive number using sign magnitude, and when you see MSP to be 0, you see that clearly, and you can assume this number is positive. So this is a binary form of +45 in decimal. Again, one's complement, positive number, MSB is to be 0. So this is the 8 bits, and MSB is 0. You see that this is the 45 in decimal. So 45 in decimal in both using sign magnitude or one's complement or unsigned form, what we've seen. Positive numbers is always looking like this, where MSB is 0. And this is the binary representation of 45. How do we get these bits in the 45? You have to do the decimal to binary conversion and vice versa. How about negative numbers? So what to do the negative numbers, you have to flip only the MSB of the positive representation. So you first write the positive number, which is 45. Then you only have to flip the MSB. So MSB is 0 here, then it becomes 1. And all other bits remain same. That is how you say and then put the negative sign. Then you say this binary form of the number is representing -45 in decimal. How about one's complement? We know that for taking or representing -45 using one's complement, you have to invert all these bits. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. That is how you will write here. So you have inverted all bits. 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, and so on. All the bits are inverted. And then you put a negative sign. So this is a comparative slide to understand the signed magnitude and the one's complement. Both are ways to represent signed binary integers, and the range in which the numbers can be represented in the signed binary we have seen as in the previous model. So if you are new here, refer to that module and stay tuned for more informative, engaging technical contents like that. And if you like this module, share it with others for wider reach. Till then, stay tuned and wish you happy learning.